So I bought this NOCO Genius 4-bank battery charger about 3 years ago, and I leave it connected to my spare batteries here just to maintain them. And I've been really happy with the charger itself. But today, while I was cleaning the terminals, I came across this. The battery clamp actually halfway dissolved from the acid. So I don't know if it's just a cheap clamp or what. I've been happy with the charger itself, and I went to my local auto parts store that I bought the charger from, and you can't just buy these clamps with the connector on them, so I'll have to fashion a new one. Anyway, there it is.